Hey, welcome back to SLG TV. This is the place for online coaches to build, market, monetize, and scale their coaching businesses. Today's video is all about email marketing for beginners. And I'll be giving you the email marketing tips that you need to be able to help you figure out what types of content to put in your emails, particularly your welcome email sequence, because this is what's really going to get your list engaged with your content and get excited to hear about your next offer or program. So you've taken the time, energy, and effort to grow your email list. And coach, I want to be the first to tell you congrats on that, because it is not an easy thing to do in the beginning. And I can't stress enough how big of a deal it is for you to grow and build your email list. And I'm so excited for you to start seeing major shifts in your business because of it. But the question is, now what? Now you get to start email marketing, meaning that you're going to be sending your new audience strategic, thoughtful, and value-packed emails. Now, friend, your email list is full of people who chose to be there. So they're going to be excited when they start seeing more of you in their inbox. And did you know that people who make purchases through email spend 138% more than people who never get offers in their email inbox? Now, that's a staggering statistic and hopefully inspiring. Another stat you should know is that your email peeps are also going to be 3 times more likely to share your content on their social media channels. And it all starts with the welcome email sequence. Now, this is a key element to building the know, like, and trust factor. And trust me when I say they're effective. It's reported that on average, 320% more revenue is attributed to the welcome email sequence than any other promotional email. So let's go through the 7 types of emails that will get your contacts asking, where do I enter my credit card number? Welcome email number 1, explain your freebie. Now, in most cases, the people on your list got there because they downloaded some sort of freebie, and don't expect them to know exactly what to do with it. Your job in this first email is to explain it to them. You're a coach, so this is in your nature anyways. So go ahead and walk them through all the benefits of the freebie, what they can do with it, how they can access it, and ask them to share on social media how it helped them. They'll get the free valuable content and you'll get some super valuable testimonials. It's win-win for everyone. Welcome email number 2, introduce yourself. Now, this new person on your list might have been following you for years, or they might be brand new. We can never assume, so go ahead and send an email with your story, including why they should listen to you. And here's a little hint. It's usually because you used to be in the same situation that they're in right now. Then you can talk about your transformation, which is also the result that they're looking for in their own life. Think of this email as a condensed, non-boring bio. Welcome email number 3, set some expectations. So how often will you be sending your emails? Will it be weekly, monthly? Let them know how often and on what day they can expect to see your name pop up in their email inbox. You can also share the types of content that you'll be sending, as well as how you'll be able to support them. So maybe they can reply to the email if they have questions. If that's part of your plan, then go ahead and let them know that. And I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. What are your greatest challenges with sending out emails on a regular basis? Go ahead and comment below and let me know. Welcome email number 4, share your greatest content. And this is one of my favorite emails. Take a look through some previously published blogs or podcasts or YouTube videos and pick 5 that got some killer engagement. What you can do is write a little intro snippet for each one and link out to all of them in one email. And I love this email marketing tip because you get to repurpose content that's already been created, and it's a great way for peeps to binge watch your stuff, learn from you, and start to see you as their coach. Welcome email number 5, client shoutouts and testimonials. So let your email list in on the amazing clients that you already have and share some of their badass results. Now, if you have testimonials on your website, that's perfectly fine to pull from those, or simply ask some of your rockstar clients to write a couple sentences about their experience with you. Now, if they're cool with it, including their photo along with the testimonial in your email adds that extra personal touch too. Welcome email number 6, be their myth buster. Now, get ahead of their objections before they even go there. Talk about some common limiting beliefs or emotional attachments that they might be experiencing, or highlight some of the mistakes that they might be making. Now, this has a huge impact on the trust factor that we're building throughout this sequence. Welcome email number 7, share your promos and launches. The time has finally come when you can share your offer, and since you put in the time and effort to warming up your list first, it won't feel salesy or inauthentic authentic to send it to them, and they won't feel like they're being like pitched to or sold to either. Now, coach, your list is going to know, like, and trust you thanks to this email sequence, and it makes the decision to buy from you much, much easier. Okay, so now you know the welcome sequence that will help you engage with your list, establish yourself as the go-to expert, and make the decision to work with you a lot easier and a lot more effortless. But if you're still stuck and could use a little support, I created a free Facebook group full of coaches and course creators who are all growing their businesses and their email lists just like you. So go ahead and click the link in the description below to join that now. And lastly, if this video was just what you needed in your coaching business, please let me know by liking it below, subscribing, and sharing it with your coach friends. Until next time, coach, keep building your empire.